Okay, here's Poor Man Drive again, same place I started yesterday. We got a little front wheel drive car in front of us, we'll see how far they make it.
A couple of trucks coming down, Poor Man.
I'm guessing that this road, oh yeah, this road is way worse than it was yesterday. Holy shit. Wow.
That's impossible.
Yeah. This makes yesterday look like freaking chump change.
Like a lake right here.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god. Oh, Alex, you gotta get a picture of those. Look at those cars.
Okay, so we're gonna park here. I'm gonna jump out.
If you go back behind us on the right, there's cars in the river.
Okay, so 4 Mile Canyon is destroyed. Oh yeah, a couple cars up here aren't looking so good. We just got some old classics, it looks like. Wow. Crazy. Wow. I'm on Alaska. Yeah, so this is just devastated here. All right, there you have it. 4 Mile Canyon, south of Poor Man, or below Poor Man.